Fun mini games, a vibrant summer with Hoyle Class. Summer at Hoyle Class is more exciting than ever with joyful mini games filled with laughter, movement, and happy moments for our baby Shark Tank friends. As part of our Bright Summer Camp program, children enjoy age-appropriate games and activities that encourage exploration, active play, and hands-on learning experiences. Baby Jolly eagerly joins every activity and always wears a bright smile while completing each fun challenge. Baby Hammy loves discovering new games, confidently participating and interacting with friends throughout the activities. Baby Traingle carefully follows instructions, works hard to complete each task, and happily enjoys the applause from teachers and classmates. Baby Mina is full of energy, actively participating in group activities and spreading joy to everyone around her. Every mini game gives children opportunities to develop gross motor skills, observation abilities, quick reactions, and social interaction skills in a natural and enjoyable way. What makes a summer truly memorable for children? Baby Shark answers, a memorable summer is filled with play, exploration, movement, friendship, and wonderful moments shared with teachers and friends. Our Bright Summer Camp program not only brings happiness, but also helps Hoyle Tank friends become more confident, independent, and ready for new adventures every day. Parents, would you like your child to enjoy an active, meaningful, and fun-filled summer experience? Please comment below and let Baby Shark know. Hashtag Mamnonbabirk, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Hoyle Class, hashtag Mini Games, hashtag Summer Camp, hashtag Bright Summer, hashtag Learning Through Play, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Preschool Life, hashtag Baby Shark.